Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening. This is Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today we're going to be opening a box of Flesh and Blood Uprising. So the last box, we pretty much got nothing. So let's hope that this box potentially is better. I would like to see some marbles, lots of marbles, all the marbles please. Let's see. Once again, we have the nice paper wrappers, and let's just dig right in. We have a Brothers in Arms, and I have forgotten the order, so we shall correct that afterwards. I think it was 7 cards. Well, a Burn Away, Heat Wave, Flexed, so there's already the rares, and a Frost Hex and a Lava Burning, so it was 8 cards and the token. Well, technically 2 tokens, but yeah, 9 cards to the front. Alrighty, we shall do it properly with the next pack. Let me also adjust the focus so that you can hopefully somewhat read the card. And I'm also going to sleeve that. Once again, I'm sleeving based on rarity, not the actual value. I will be disappointed later by the value, most likely. Anyway. So, on to the next pack. We have our first Majestic. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of Majestic which are worth something in these packs. So let's see. Wait, 1, 2. Yeah, let's move those to the front. And yeah, let's also include the token. So a Rake Embers in red, a Embermore Senipie, an Ash token. We have a Stoke the Flames, Glacial Horns for our equipment, an Ice and Howl Weather Vane, and a Fog Down, as well as a Rainbow Foil Transmogrify. That's cool. Second Majestic of the pack. Let's continue. I'm also trying to not make a mess with the silver. Yeah, wrapper part. So 9 cards. Let's hope I haven't miscounted. To the front, an Ice Bolt, Skittering Sands, Aether Hail, an Ash token, a Phi Oasis Respite, really good card, especially in red. A Silken Form for our common equipment, and then a Mounting Anger, Ice Eternal, and Succumb to Winter in red for our Rainbow Foil. Very nice. On to the next pack. We have a few cards we need to get to the front first. We have a Frosting, a Sand cover. Also, let me double check the focus. Yeah. I think that should work fine. A Sweeping Blow, Brand with Cinderclaw, a Cracked Bauble, really strong card, a Critical Strike, Spellfire Cloak, a Dampen, Invoke, Atzvolai, and a Dune Breaker Senipie, if that's how it's pronounced. If not, I apologize. Once again, in red for our Rainbow Foil. Next pack. We start off with a Brain Freeze, a Skittering Sands in red, a Dust Up in red, Polar Cap. We have a Replacement token card, and another Oasis Respite, and then Heatwave for our equipment, Rise from the Ashes, Fiendal's Fighting Spirit, and a Stoke the Flames for our rainbow foil. Wonderful. On to the next one. So, a Icebind, a Sand Cover, Rake the Embers in red. That's really nice. I am definitely going to sleeve that. It's a Blood of the Drakai, which basically already makes the box. It's actually the second one I pull, and it's also cold foil like the other one. That's, yeah, worth something. So let's continue here. We have a Flex, a Take the Tempo, actually a Majestic as well. And then a Brothers in Arms in blue as a rainbow foil. Okay, so it basically doesn't really matter what we pull now, because yeah, that's a bad boy. So, well, that's the problem with doing it from the other side. You might get spoiled by some of those cards. That's, yeah. Anyway, let's get the lighting going again. I need to remove this one, sorry. Okay, now we're back. We have a Billowing Mirage, Skittering Sands, a Sweeping Blow, then we have a Invoke Mirage as our Marvel. Looking kinda cool. Then we have our Dromai, a Quelling Sleeves, and then Engulfing Flame Wave, rapid Reflexes, and then Aether Ice Vein for our rainbow foils. I like this box quite a lot better than the other one I opened. So let's do properly. I might still get spoiled doing it that way. Not ideal. Brain Freeze. A Embermoor Senipie, Billowing Mirage, Frostbite, Searing Touch, Tide Flippers, and then Rapid Reflexes, Invoke Temai, and then Icebind for our rainbow foil. On to the next pack. So we have a Frosting, Rising Resentment, Dustrunner Outlaw, an Islander, Sigil of Protection, Quelling Rope, and then a Strategic Planning, Invoke Temai, and a Cinch for our rainbow foil. On to the next pack we go. Still a bit over half left. We have a Frosting, Polar Cap, Dustrunner Outlaw, Phi, a Healing Balm, Silent Stilettos, Succumb to Winter, a Flex, and a Dustrunner Outlaw for our rainbow foil. Ice Bolt, a Soaring Strike, Eva Ashwing, Critical Strike, Glacial Horns, Fiendal's Fighting Spirit, Invoke Yendurai, and an Engulfing Flame Wave for our rainbow foil. Nothing fancy here. Like I said, with those pulls it already doesn't really matter what we further pull. But of course, getting another Marvel would be quite nice. So a Cinderskin Devotion, Dustrunner Outlaw, Oasis Respite, Tide Flippers, Succumb to Winter, Rewind. In the art, I don't have it yet, I think. And, ooh, that's a really nice foil effect. With the little stars. Well, no, with the little bubbles, not stars. So I'm gonna sleeve that Rewind. And let's open the next pack. So, let's see what we can get in this pack. Brand with Cinderclaw. Emberclaw, wasn't it? No, Cinderclaw. Flamecaller Awakening, a Silken Form, Sigil of Permafrost, Invoke Yendurai, and a Ronin Renegade for our rainbow foil. Let's open more packs, get something good. We have an Aetherhail, Ember, Maw, Sennipai, an Ash Token, a Sigil of Protection in yellow, Quelling Sleeves for our equipment, Mountain Anger, Sift, and a Requiembers in yellow for our rainbow foil. On to the next pack we go. Nine to the front. And let's continue our openings. We have an Islander, Brothers in Arms, Conduit of Frostburn for our equipment, Engulfing Flamewave and Insidious Chill, as well as Read the Ripples for our rainbow foil. So I'm gonna sleeve that Insidious Chill since it's majestic. And let's open the next pack. Don't forget about putting the cards to the front, Simon. Everybody will be disappointed otherwise. We have a Lava Vein Loyalty, a replacement card, best card in the set, Scar for a Scar, an Engulfing Flamewave, a Frightmare, and a rainbow foil Aetherhail. I really like the foil effect with all the icicles. So let's leave the Frightmare. And open the next pack. Don't forget to put the cards to the front. We have a Dustrunner Outlaw. We have a Dromai, Cold Snap, a Sift in red, a Dampen, and a Liquefy in rainbow foil. The box gets better and better. And on to the next pack we go. Nine cards to the front. We have a Polar Cap, a Dromai, and an Islander. A Conduit of Frostburn for our equipment, Rapid Reflexes, Strategic Planning, and a rainbow foil Sift in blue. On to the next pack. There's still a few left, but not too many. Everybody saw all the cards. That was not a good way to do that. So let's just go through them. An Aether Ashwing, Searing Touch. We have an Eisenhowl, Weather Vein in yellow, Invoke, Vinserakai, and a Dustrunner Outlaw for our rainbow foil. On to the next pack. let's see what we get. We have a Phoenix Flame, a Flamebone Retribution, and a Flex and Invoke Wind Serakai, as well as a red Lava Vein Loyalty for our rainbow foil. So down to 4 packs. So second Marvel would of course be very nice. But yeah, this box was already pretty insane. A Polar Cap, a Sigil of Protection, Silent Stilettos, and then a Sigil of Permafrost, and a Red Hot for our 2 rares, and then a Brain Freeze in yellow for our rainbow foil. So 3 packs left to go. Will we draw a second Marvel? Is it even possible? Huh. Probably not. So a Polar Cap, Skittering Sands, Stoke the Flames, Quelling Slippers, a Sigil of Permafrost in yellow, a Invoke Chromai, unfortunately the regular version, and a Arctic Incarceration for our rainbow. 2 packs left to go. We have a lot of cards that we need to put to the front. As we know, a Red Aetherhail, Ronin Renegade, Flameborn Retribution, a Silent Stilettos, Rise Up, and Transmogrify for our rares, and another Strategic Planning rare for our rainbow foil. So, last pack. Maybe we get something lucky out of the last pack as well. That would be pretty insane. So spoilers, it's no Marvel, unfortunately. But we have a Dustrunner Outlaw, an Islander, a Trade-in Heatwave for our common equipment, Engulfing Flamewave, and an Invoke Dracona Optimai, at least a Majestic, looking also rather cool. So that's gonna get sleeved. And that's the last pack of the box. Pretty good box. Very happy with what we pulled. So thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.